Hi guys, quick little video on my crypto bots journey again, and just a quick little disclaimer, nothing here is financial advice, it's for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, seek your own advice. What I wanted to discuss today is kind of a follow-on from the video I did yesterday, which is about the cash flow side of bots, and also to discuss the red, don't dread the red. Now, if you listened yesterday, then you would have known that I was talking about buy low, sell high strategy, where you make a massive profit at the time of selling, versus the bot strategy, where you buy low, sell high every day on the tiny little wiggles. And each one of those lines, for instance, there is a price line. And as the price crosses the price line, you'll either trigger a buy if you're going this way or a sell if you're going that way. So naturally, you buy at this price, and by the time you get up there, you'd sell it. And that gives you the profit, a little bit of profit every day. That's the cash flow that I was talking about. Here is the cash flow line. Basically, in 13 days or less, this has produced $1,300 of cash that's sitting in a wallet that I can turn into fiat US dollars, or I can just leave it there, or I can do whatever, or I can reinvest it. And for the moment, I'm reinvesting because I want to build this up to a much more significant investment portfolio. This is practice money, and it's 23,000. So I don't have that much really invested yet. This is a compounding interest kind of concept, and that's also the next thing I'll talk about is the compounding interest of being able to take $1,300 and go right after 2 weeks, boom, I put that back in. And now that starts earning me maybe almost 1% a day or 1% a day. So the whole difference from a profit point of view, I touched on a little yesterday. When you buy here and sell here, you make a fat wad of profit because of the difference between the price of buy and sell. When you do the bots, you're buying at every one of these points across the year. So when you get to this point, you have prices. You have Bitcoin, as it would be here, bought at this price, and the price is currently down here. So your line would show red, because if they look, this is determining that if right this very second you went and exited your position, you would actually lose money on the underlying value of the coin. So there can be a timing issue in the sense that if I wanted to get out now, yeah, I'd make loss on the coins I bought up here, but I've extracted profit the whole way along. So looking at this point here, had you bought it here and sold here, you still would have made a profit, about 19,000. Well done. The difference is I've extracted that profit all the way along here, all day, every day. Now, whether it's the exact same amount of profit, I can't tell you, because the amount of wiggling that it does, the amount of price variations within a day, within an hour, would determine how many trades would have happened and how much cash you would have generated. My understanding and my opinion of it is you'll generate more cash through buying 100,000 times through this 9-month period than you would have by just buying it at 10,000 and selling it at this 29,000 here and making a profit of 19. That's my belief. Still new to the botting thing exactly to know those numbers, but the reason I'm attracted to the botting is because I've extracted, even if it's the exact same amount, or maybe it's a tiny bit less, I don't know. I've extracted that out in the meantime. So I've taken all the profit that I've generated from here to here, and I've bought things with it, paid bills with it, or I've reinvested it and upped my strategy. So now I would have maybe 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 6,000, maybe 19,000 otherwise invested, generating me more cash flow. So it's a much more of a compounding sort of idea. Let's see, this is going to earn me, say I pull it out every month. This portfolio here would earn me $1,300 in 2 weeks. That means I've got $2,600 by the end of the month. I take that $2,600, I invest it in this one here, which might have been about that same amount of figure, and bang, now I've got another bot generating me 2.63%. A month later, I've got another bot that's generating me a 1%. Another month later, I've got another bot that's generating me 0.8%. So you can see how it compounds very quickly by being able to get the cash out every month and then move on I'll miss out on that massive big payout between buy low, sell high at the end. It's a different strategy. That's why, it might not be right for everyone, but I like the cash flow of it. Literally within months, if you can get $50,000 somehow invested into bots, you can live off the cash flow. Just simple, passive income.